Welcome to our introductory video on the BNF. My name is Philip Cannon.
And I'm Rebecca Watson, and we're here to show you a series of videos dedicated to giving you a solid foundation for using the BNF, whether you're pretty well acquainted and just need to check up your knowledge, or if you're a complete novice and don't know what BNF actually stands for. We'll be identifying some key areas, points of uncertainty and trickier bits of information to make this massive tome as easy to understand as possible.
So there are three forms of the British National Formulary, or BNF, available to students and professionals. First of all, there's the book. The book is released every 6 months annoyingly, and with a price of approximately £60, each surgery and pharmacy will need the latest version. So if you're looking for a relatively up-to-date version and don't happen to have £60 lying around, it's worth asking around to see if any recent but technically out-of-date versions are looking for a new home.
There's also the app. The BNF app is available to download for iOS and Android devices for free, and it's public use, so no pesky passwords are required, and here's our video on how to download that. This is a much handier version for students for quick checks, but it doesn't look the best if you're sitting scrolling on your phone in a ward and you can't have your phone in an exam. So we'll be showing you both how to use the BNF book and the app.
Thirdly, there is a version of the BNF accessible online. This is done via Medicines Complete, which will give you access to other handy resources as well, like Stockley's Interaction, which we'll discuss later on in a future video. To access Medicines Complete, you will need an Athens account via NHS Scotland. To register for this, Google Knowledge Network and click on Register. Select New User, enter your details, and when it asks about your position/job family, type student and then enter within NHS Grampian. You should then hopefully receive your password within a few days. This is part of the reason that we are mentioning this now, so you'll have it available and ready for when you need it.
To get you started and comfortable, if you have the book with you, pick it up, flick to the index at the back and look up a drug. It's in alphabetical order, so it should be quite simple, and then you can look up the right page from there. So, for example, the drug terbutaline is on page 252. On the app, we simply start to type the name into the search engine on top. Please make sure that it's in BNF mode, not in BNFC, and here's how you can change that.
So in the next few videos, we'll be looking at how the BNF is structured and what it all means. We'll be looking at prescription problems and how to prescribe controlled drugs. We'll be looking at interactions, conversion tables, and finally we'll be showing you how to look up information on problem patients.